Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. Who is Vikramaditya? We got the answer today. Of course, we knew the answer by just seeing the poster itself. Vikramaditya should be the lead character, the hero in the movie Radhesham, and who can it be other than our darling Prabhas? Wow, what a teaser of who is Vikramaditya from Radhesham movie, which is releasing on 14th January 2022 on the occasion of Prabhas's birthday today. The teaser of who is Vikramaditya introducing the character of Prabhas has been released by the movie makers, and what a visual treat it was. Ultimate visuals. By just seeing the teaser of who is Vikramaditya itself, first of all, Prabhas sir, happy birthday, happy birthday, and a lot of love to the darling of masses, darling of Telugu film industry, darling of pan India movies, and darling of everybody, global star, pan India star, or pan world star. This movie is releasing not only in Indian languages like Kannada, Telugu, of course it is there, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, but it is also releasing in Japanese and Chinese. And just see where the popularity of Prabhas is. Ultimate. The teaser of who is Vikramaditya, Prabhas sir, adripoindi teaser, ultimate. You are looking stunning and awesome and fantastic, and what smart sir. I just thought that this is the introductory movie, or Prabhas is being launched in Radhesham. So elegant, so majestic, and what graceful, and what attitude, what swag Prabhas has. Just like the first movie in which he had made his debut, he is just looking similar, he is looking smarter. Ageless Prabhas is becoming, I should tell, at 42 he is looking like a chocolate boy, our Prabhas. And Pooja Hegde also plays the female role, that is the female lead in this particular movie. It should be a stunning movie, Radhesham. And coming to the teaser of who is Vikramaditya, so Vikramaditya is a palmist in this movie. Yes, Prabhas will be playing the role of a palmist whose name is Vikramaditya, and throughout the teaser he tells, I know, I will not tell, I know, I will not tell. He knows everything. He tells at last, I know everything, but I'm not going to tell you. This is for the clients of him, or to everybody. So like he can read the palm, and he can even predict everything, the happiness, the sadness, and also he can predict the death of that particular person, their hearts breaking, everything, but he is not going to reveal. So secrets kept with him, though he can peep deep into the structure and also the construction of the physique and also the mind and soul of a particular person in question. So here our Vikramaditya is just revealing the professional ethics. At last he tells, I'm not going to reveal these things because it is beyond your capacity to understand all these things. And then he tells, my name is Vikramaditya. He introduces himself by adjusting his watch. Look at Prabhas, he is in black and black totally, and he is looking majestic. He adjusts his wristwatch, and which is also black in color, and then introduces himself as Vikramaditya. And very important words at the end of the teaser. I am not a god, but I am not also one among you. That's interesting. What does that reveal? We need to wait and see for the trailer, and also the movie, what exactly is the story of this particular movie, and what exactly it reveals. It is a time period movie, I feel, time period or period romantic movie, period romantic astrological thriller, I can call it as. I think the movie explores a lot about astrology, the facts and fictions of one's life, palmistry, and lot more. And if you see the studio of Prabhas in the movie, it looks very lavish and rich. So the movie has been set in 1970s Europe, as from the Wikipedia pages the details of the movie were given. Does it also cover many more timelines? We need to just wait and watch for the movie. The BGM is super special. When you hear the BGM, it lifts the quality of the teaser, and also the cinematography. The visuals are looking stunning, and awesome photography and cinematography, as I already said. For VFX and special effects, I think we need to wait and watch for the trailer and movie. Of course, since it is Prabhas movie and also a pan-India movie, it will be stunning and awesome. Overall, the teaser is really good. It is not a teaser of the movie. We should remember that it is only a teaser to introduce the character of Vikramaditya, that is Prabhas, on the day of his birthday. That would have been a right choice to introduce the character of Vikramaditya. Not much has been shown, but we can see Prabhas announcing and pronouncing himself in that loud and baritone voice of his, very crystal clear. And he also gives the theme of the movie and theme of his character in this particular teaser. It looks really promising, stunning, and awesome. If I need to rate that, I will definitely go with the 4.5 out of 5. And since it is Prabhas' birthday, I'll just go with 5 out of 5 for our darling. Radhakrishna Kumar is the director of the movie, and I think he has put right things in the right places and has given us a fantastic, what we can call it as extravagant and visual treat to watch on the big screens, which will be released in January 2022. ప్రభాస్ గారు విక్రమాదిత్య టీజర్ చాలా బాగుంది. చాలా 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 బాగుంది. అదిరిపోయింది అనాలా. టీజర్‌తోనే క్యారెక్టర్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్‌తోనే ఈ ఫిల్మ్ క్వాలిటీ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, మీ క్యారెక్టర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఈ గ్లోబల్ పాన్ ఇండియా లెవెల్‌లో ఈ ఫిల్మ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అని మీరు చూపిచ్చారు. ఫిల్మ్ రిలీజ్ కాకముందేనే ఈ ఫిల్మ్ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ అని విత్ స్టాంపింగ్ అథారిటీ మీరు చెప్పారు ఈ టీజర్‌లో. ఆసమ్ సార్, వన్స్ అగైన్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్‌డే టు యూ అండ్ కీప్ గివింగ్ us a wonderful, extravagant visual treat, pan India and pan world movies. All the best to you, sir. So thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.